Welcome to Cakes Factory. I'm your host Sumbal Shazadi. Today we are sharing up 20 cupcake design with fresh fruit toppings that are as beautiful as they are delicious. Starting with the strawberry kiss cupcake. Vanilla swirl topped with a half strawberry and mint leaf. Sweet and classic. The next is orange blossom cupcake. Citrus cupcake with a curled orange peel and candied orange slice. The next is grape delight cupcake. Iced in water white cream with a trio of green and purple grapes. The next is kiwi cream swirl cake. Bright green swirl with thin kiwi rounds and white chocolate drizzles. The next is lemon sunshine cupcakes. Zest lemon frosting topped with a lemon wedged and yeast. The next is tropical pineapple twist. Yellow buttercream pineapple chunks and coconut flakes. The next is berry steak cupcakes. One raspberry, one blueberry, one strawberry, and sliced caked on top. The next is peach perfection. Vanilla cupcake topped with thin peach slices and tiny flowers. The next is banana cream cupcakes. Fluffy banana frosting topped with a banana chip and honey drizzle. Perfect for banana lovers. The next is cherry charm cupcakes. Classic pink swirl topped with a whole cherry and tiny gold flakes. Perfect for cherry lovers and birthday parties. The next is mango whipped cupcake. Tropical mango buttercream with juicy mango cubes on top. Perfect for banana season, mango seasons. The next is blueberry bloom cupcake. White frosting topped with a swirl of blueberry jam and fresh blueberries. The next is green apple crisp. Apple flavored cupcake with thin green apple slices and a cinnamon stick. Perfect for apple lovers. The next is watermelon mini delight. Pink and green swirl topped with a tiny watermelon cube and seeds. The next is topped mixed fruit top party cupcakes. Topped with mini delight pineapple, kiwi, mango, and berries. Perfect for party cupcakes, tea parties, or birthday parties. The next is pear and honey cupcakes. Slice cupcake with a pear slice and golden honey drizzle. The next is coconut berry bliss. Coconut buttercream with raspberry and coconut shavings. The next is melon mint thrill. Soft melon frosting with a catalog ball and mint garnish. Perfect for melon and mint lovers. The next is strawberry rose royal cake. For strawberry lovers, this is a perfect idea of cupcakes. Strawberry swirl top, piped like a rose with a fresh berry in the center. The next is citrus garden cupcake, a mix of lime, lemon, and orange zest, topped with a citrus curl and edible flowers. Decorate with fruits. Here is how to make your fruit-topped cupcake long lasting and look perfect. Always pat fruit dry before placing on frosting. Add fruit just before serving to keep it fresh. Try glazing berries with honey or spray for shine. Which fruit cupcake would you try first? Comment below and share your sweet idea. If you love any idea, take a screenshot of it and make that cupcake at your home so easily. Like this video and subscribe to Cakes Factory for more amazing ideas. And don't forget to share this with your favorite baker and family member or the loved ones. So you can easily bake and enjoy these cupcakes in the next your birthday party or tea party or any occasion to make that occasion more perfect and amazing and gives a positive vibe and a different look. Take care of yourself. See you in the next sweet video. Goodbye.